Greetings and welcome to this new jailbreak update video. So in this video we will discuss two things. First, we have some good news regarding Msaka Reborn, and secondly we have a new version of the Dopamine Jailbreak, which is currently a pre-release, you can call it a beta, which currently has some bugs and some limitations. So first of all, let's discuss what's new with the Msaka Reborn update. As you can see, Msaka Reborn will release soon, which will support iOS 17.0 all the way through 26.0.1 on all of your devices. And using Msaka Reborn, which we discussed in our previous video, that you will be able to replace the font, and this will also fix the 3 apps limit so that you can install more than 3 apps using sideloadly or the impactor or any other tool which you wish to use. The Msaka Reborn is now completely open source, and you can see we are at the official GitHub page for Msaka Reborn. The good news is that now more people can contribute to Msaka Reborn and make it better, fix bugs, and may introduce new features. And it is currently work in progress, and it is being actively maintained. Now the big news. We are at the official GitHub page for the Dopamine Jailbreak, and if you check out releases, simply hit here. You can see that we have the 2.5 beta 1 currently right here, which now adds support for iOS 15.8.7 and iOS 16.7.15 and lower. Right now, as of making this video, this version currently does not support A8 or A8X, and it also may not work on A9X devices. As it is a beta release, it may fail on the earlier version of iOS, like iOS 16.0 through 16.3.1, and it may sometimes fail and the Dopamine app closes and may have some other issues as well. This release will show up as 2.4.9 if you are on an older version of Dopamine and you have installed the Dopamine Jailbreak using Troll Store previously. So you can update it right away from there, or you can simply hit assets, get the IPA from here, and then you can use Impactor, which is also completely free, as you can see right here from its official GitHub page, and then install it on your Windows PC. Simply choose the file from here and install it to complete the process. Just to make sure that when you try it works on iOS 16.7.15 and 15.8.7 with tweaks, we will see a short demo. Right, you can see the demo right here. I have these two devices. This is an iPhone 8 Plus and we have an iPhone 7. These both are running their latest versions, as you can see right here, iOS 15.8.7, and we have this 8 Plus running iOS 16.7.15, both jailbroken with the new version of Dopamine Jailbreak. You can see the issue that I am facing is that when you try to do a user-space reboot so that we can install the allocate and everything else for the tweaks, the package manager was not appearing, so I had to try it 2-3 times, restarting the device and then trying it again. Also, even if the device is jailbroken and you open the Dopamine Jailbreak, you can see it still says to jailbreak the device even if the device is already jailbroken, and the option to restart the springboard or rebooting the user space is not available. You can use these options if the package manager is not appearing after a successful jailbreak. Also, the tweaks are working. As you can see, I installed the Cylinder Reborn and it worked fine without issues. I also installed the Troll Store Lite on iOS 16.7.15 using it. Simply opening the package manager and searching for Troll Store Lite. It worked. Let's try it on iOS 15.8.7 also. Let's try with the Troll Store Helper first, so we can see if we can install it that way. Alright, you can open it and then from there you can install Troll Store without issues. But for iOS 16.7.15, the Troll Store helper, when I tried, was crashing. So whatever works for you, you can try. the Troll Store Lite version or the Troll Store Helper, and from there you can install Troll Store without issues. Alright, you can see it works. It will install the LDIT and it works fine. From there you can install the Prestance Helper. But keep in mind one thing, that if you reboot iOS 16.7.15, Troll Store will also stop and you will have to re-jailbreak your device to make it work again. And for iOS 15.8.7, if you reboot, Troll Store will keep on working without issues. As you can see, I have rebooted the devices, and for iOS 15.8.7, Troll Store will keep on working, but for iOS 16.7.15, you will have to jailbreak your device again to use the Troll Store's Lite version. Now, if you want the full guides for iOS 16.7.15 and 15.8.7 jailbreak, please comment below. But we will wait for all the bugs to iron out so that we can have a good experience. That's all for this update. If I have more information to share, I will definitely do it with you. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.